Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Fathom AI and Google Meet for note-taking. To use Fathom AI and Google Meet for note-taking, start by searching for Fathom AI in your browser and opening the official website, then click Get Started and sign in using the same email you plan to use for Google Meet so your accounts stay properly linked. After logging in, complete the setup flow by selecting any required preferences, then download and install the Fathom desktop app for Windows or Mac and run the installer until setup is finished. Once installed, open Fathom and sign in, then go into the settings area and make sure the Google Meet Chrome extension is installed and enabled, since this allows Fathom to detect and join your meetings automatically. Next, join your Google Meet sessions as usual, and when prompted, allow permission so Fathom can record and transcribe the meeting in real time. Then start the recording through the Fathom interface so it begins capturing audio and generating notes. During the meeting, you can highlight important moments or keywords as they happen, which will be marked in the transcript for easy review later. After the meeting ends, open Fathom to view the full recording, along with a structured transcript, timestamps, and AI-generated summaries that help you quickly understand what was discussed without replaying the entire call. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.